Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now, Ethereum is bouncing from an important price level on the chart, while Bitcoin is forming a new pattern in the short term that we need to pay attention to. So I'll be talking about that in just a moment. Definitely stick around. First of all, just giving you a quick update here on the daily Bitcoin chart. And right now, as I'm recording this video, this bearish divergence on the daily time frame is still currently playing out. And of course, while this is happening, the Bitcoin price is still running into this major area of resistance, which is sitting in between around 28,000 to 29.5k. And so once again, as I've been saying pretty much every day over the last 1 week or so, I would not be expecting any significant bullish momentum anytime soon, as in just in the short term here. And instead, I would mostly be expecting choppy sideways price action in the shorter term, as I've been saying over the last 1 week or so, and as we've been seeing as expected. And now staying on the daily time frame, but taking a look at the Bollinger Bands indicator, which is still in its squeeze formation, because obviously, as I explained in more detail in my last 1 to 2 videos here on the channel, if you look at the historical volatility indicator, this is telling us that right now we are seeing the lowest amount of volatility in the Bitcoin price on the daily time frame that we have seen since the beginning of this year. And so this basically tells us a massive move is coming soon, as in potentially within the next 1 week or so, we're likely going to see a large volatile move in the price of Bitcoin. And if you want to know more about that and more about this chart right here, then check out my last 1 to 2 videos here on the channel, because in those videos I went into more detail about this chart right here. But anyway, now zooming into the shorter term, this is on the 4-hour Bitcoin to US dollar chart, and right now, as you can see here, in between this consolidation range, in this sideways range, we are currently forming a small symmetrical triangle pattern. And right now, the support for this symmetrical triangle pattern is sitting at around 27.8 to 27.9k approximately, and the resistance is sitting at around 28.4 to 28.5k approximately. And obviously, if we see a confirmed break below that support level, then that would be short-term bearish, setting up a bearish price target. And if we see a confirmed break above this resistance, then that would be a short-term bullish signal, setting up a bullish price target. And as for those technical price targets, just measuring out that move, if we see a confirmed break below that support, then the technical price target would be sitting at around 26.8 to 26.9k, falling straight into this area of supports based on these previous lows. But on the flip side, if we see a confirmed break above that line of resistance for the symmetrical triangle pattern, then that would set up a technical price target at around 29.5k. And now, obviously, it is important to keep in mind that even if we see a breakout to the upside from this symmetrical triangle pattern, we still have this area of resistance, which means if we break out in the bullish direction, the price could still struggle in this area of resistance before actually reaching this technical price target. And of course, even if the Bitcoin price reaches this price target at 29.5k, once again, that is simply the high end of this range of resistance here on the daily time frame. So basically, in order to see another significant leg to the upside here on the daily chart like this, for example, we need to see a confirmed breakout well above 29.5k. And of course, if that happens, if we see a confirmed breakout above 29.5k, that could spark the next volatile move in the price of Bitcoin, which the Bollinger Bands is predicting anyway. We just don't know the direction of that volatile move based on the Bollinger Bands alone, but we can confirm the direction of the next volatile move once the Bitcoin price finally breaks out above resistance, or if we break support. Obviously, that could also lead to a volatile move to the downside if we see those signals. So essentially, right now, just in the imminent short term, the price is still looking extremely neutral, and we're just waiting for one of these signals to occur. A break of one of these price levels once again would give us the signal to flip either more bullish or more bearish, depending on which one of these levels breaks. And obviously, if you're a a trader using long positions or short positions, obviously it doesn't actually matter what direction the price moves, because you can make money no matter what direction the price takes. Whether we're flipping bullish or bearish, you can still make money on these moves. And if you want to know how to do that, then stick around to the end of this video to find out more. But anyway, now getting into the Ethereum part of this video, this right here is on the daily time frame, and right now the price of ETH has retested this previous area of resistance, which is now acting as new support, and this area is sitting in between around 1770 to 1820. And so obviously, at least as of right now, the trend here on the daily time frame is still a bullish trend. We're still forming higher lows and higher highs, and more importantly, we're flipping previous resistance into new support, which is a bullish thing. This is a sign of a bullish trend. And as for the next significant resistance on the daily time frame, that is sitting closer towards around $2,000. And now if you're zooming into the shorter term, this is on the 4-hour ETH to US dollar chart, and right here, as of right now, the price of ETH is defending this line of support, defending the short-term bullish trend, because like I said in my last video on this channel, the price of ETH was at a pivotal moment, either about to break the short-term bullish trend, or if we simply hold this level and see yet another bounce in the RSI and the price action like what we've seen these last two times, then of course in that case that would sustain the short-term bullish trend at least for a little while longer. And so at least as of right now, considering we did end up seeing that bounce, the price of ETH is still in a short-term bullish trend. So once again, just in the short term, I'm still currently more bullish than bearish. But if we see a confirmed break back below this price area, so back below around 1830 approximately, then in that case, I would flip a little bit more bearish again, just in the short term for the price of ETH. But it is important to understand the difference between short term and longer term, because even in that case, if we break back below around 1820 and come back down towards around 1780, for example, then of course we would look more bearish in the shorter term. But on the daily time frame, that move would look like this, which obviously would not actually break or invalidate the larger bullish trend on the daily time frame. And now if you want to know how to maximize your profits in crypto, no matter if the price is going to the upside, to the downside, or simply chopping around sideways, then make sure to watch these videos popping up right here on your screen. The video in the top left of your screen shows you how to make money if the price is either bullish or bearish, and the video in the bottom left shows you how to make money if the price is just chopping around sideways. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.